Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Trello app as a beginner. When you first open Trello, you will see the option to create a new board. A board is like a workspace for one project. Click Create New Board, give it a name, and select a background. Inside your board, you can create lists. Lists help you track progress. A common setup is to do, doing, and done. You can add more lists depending on your needs. Next, you add cards under each list. Cards represent individual tasks. To create one, click Add a card at the bottom of a list, type the task, and press Enter. Open a card to add more details. You can write a description, assign members, set due dates, attach files, or create a checklist. This makes it easy to break tasks into smaller steps. Cards can be moved between lists by dragging and dropping. For example, move a task from to do into doing when you start, and then into done once it is finished. On the top right, you will find the menu. Here you can invite team members to join your board. This way, everyone can see updates and collaborate in real time. That is the basic workflow of Trello. Create a board, set up your lists, add tasks as cards, and move them as work progresses. Thanks for watching.